If you want to insert vertical text in Word, the easiest way is to use a text box and then rotate the text direction. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest method step by step so you can create vertical text for labels, side notes, designs, forms, or any document layout that needs a cleaner, more professional look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tips just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools for adding elements like shapes, pictures, text boxes, and more. Once you're on the Insert tab, click Text Box, then choose Draw Text Box. This lets you place a custom text box anywhere on the page, which is perfect for making your text vertical. Now click and drag on the page to draw your text box. Don't worry about the size too much at first because you can always resize it later. Once the box appears, click inside it and type the text you want to make vertical. You can enter a single word, a short phrase, or even a label depending on what you're creating. After typing your text, click outside and then select the text box so it's highlighted. With the text box selected, go to the Shape Format tab. On some versions of Word, this may also appear as the Text Box tab, so just look for the formatting options related to the box itself. Once you're there, find the Text Direction button. Click Text Direction and you'll see different orientation options. To make the text vertical, choose Rotate All Text 90 degrees. This instantly turns your text sideways so it reads vertically on the page. If you need it to face the other direction, you may also have the option to rotate it the opposite way depending on your Word version. If you want a more stacked look instead of a rotated one, there's another simple trick. You can type your text one letter per line, with each letter on a separate line inside the box. That creates a stacked vertical style, which can work really well for certain designs, headings, or creative layouts. It's a nice alternative if you want something more stylized than a simple rotation. Next, if your vertical text box still has a border around it, you can remove that easily. With the text box still selected, go back to Shape Format and find Shape Outline. Click it, then choose No Outline. This removes the border completely, so only the vertical text remains visible. That makes the final result look much cleaner, especially if you're placing the text over other content or using it in a document design. You can also resize and move the box after rotating the text. Just drag the corners to make it taller or narrower, and position it wherever you want on the page. This is useful if you're creating a sidebar, a flyer, a table label, or a custom word layout. And if the text doesn't fit perfectly, you can always adjust the font size, spacing, or box dimensions until it looks right. So to recap, the process is simple. Go to Insert, add a text box, type your text, use Text Direction to rotate it 90 degrees, and then remove the outline if needed. That's the fastest way to insert vertical text in Word without struggling with complicated formatting. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Word tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.